So Bojack,
Yes, Neil. Hello.
we're back again.
Back. Doing some colors.
Episode 19,843. You doing some color again?
I am.
What kind of color you doing?
I'm doing some baby lights. My friend Amanda here.
Babylights.
She wants to be blonde. And
Blonde?
she likes being blonde. She enjoys it, right, Amanda?
I love it.
She loves it. So we're doing 19,247,063 foils for her.
Ah, so you're gonna do like another one of those platinum card thingers you're talking.
No,
you're always
not
doing.
quite. Not a platinum card.
Not a platinum card? Well, you don't want to be
No.
platinum?
No, not quite.
Are you sure?
Platinum card is all the hair, Neil. We
Ah,
are,
okay.
I will show you, doing tiny little weaves. Tiny little weaves.
So you're just picking out the already highlighted strands
That's correct.
and re-highlighting the roots
That
to
have
match
grown
up.
out.
Aha.
That's correct.
Mm,
See,
that's
we
good
like,
to
we like the baby lights because they kind of blend really nice when they grow back in. See? It's been how many weeks?
6 weeks?
Yeah.
8 weeks.
8 weeks. And
8
see,
weeks.
that doesn't look bad. It really doesn't.
It actually looks kind of cool.
Yeah. So we're just kind of
Almost like
maintaining-
shadow root-ish.
Yes, that's
Right?
very good,
Oh,
Neil.
see,
Good work.
I'm
You're
telling you,
learning.
I learn.
You got it.
It's possible. Most people in my life have told me that it's not possible, but it is possible. I can learn.
I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. Like dumb, I'm smart, and I want respect.
All right.
So now we're gonna find the exact same pieces that we made blonde the last time.
So do blondes have more fun?
Absolutely.
They do.
Conditioning their hair, they have a lot more fun.
Ah,
I'm just teasing.
gotcha. So it's a pain in the butt to have
I like to
blonde
be
hair.
icy cold, you know?
You know, it's just
Power.
knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Look at her. Looking hard.
Focused.
She's
Focused.
way over focused right now.
You can
Her
never
eyes
be-
are gonna burn like a hole in the foil right there. Like lasers, man. It's the same look she gets. See? You see? Oh. To be continued. Hello, Blue Jack.
Hi, Neil.
Ooh.